My name is Narendra. I'm basically from Bangalore. So I studied in Saptari College of Engineering in a stream of Electrical and Electronics. So first I had worked in Bosch. Later I planned to switch for IT. Later my friend suggested that to join Qspiders. In Qspiders I joined Qspiders in the month of August. So first initially I started with SEL by Sunil sir. So he teached me very well and he motivated me a lot. And after that manual testing by Pradeep sir, then Java by Shankar sir. So all the trainers are very good and they teach it in very good manner. And of course I would like to thank you for Qspiders. And I got placed in very good company with a very good package. So I would like to thank for